How to delete Pinterest search history. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Pinterest and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen. And once you're here, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. And here you will be able to see all of your search history on Pinterest. In order for you to delete one of these searches, you simply need to click on the X icon next to it and it will be gone. However, if you wanted to delete all of the search history, then unfortunately there is no way to do so at once. And the only thing that you can do is repeat the same process that we just did with one of the searches, meaning you need to keep clicking on the X icon next to all of the searches till you clear all of them up. So that was it for this video. That's how you can clear your search history on Pinterest. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.